Hello and welcome to this video on Venus. The second planet from the Sun, known for its thick and toxic atmosphere and its reputation as the brightest object in the night sky after the Moon. Let's dive into the fascinating world of Venus. Characteristics of Venus. Venus is the closest planet to Earth in size and composition. It has a diameter of 12,104 kilometers and is primarily made up of rock and metal. Despite being similar in size to Earth, the temperatures on Venus can reach up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Atmosphere of Venus. The thick atmosphere of Venus is primarily composed of carbon dioxide and nitrogen. The clouds in Venus's atmosphere contain sulfuric acid, which contributes to the planet's toxic environment. The intense heat and pressure make it impossible for life to exist on Venus as we know it. Exploration of Venus. In recent decades, various missions have been sent to explore Venus, including the Soviet Venera missions and NASA's Mariner and Magellan missions. These missions have helped us better understand the conditions on the planet and its geological history. Unique features of Venus. One of the most interesting features of Venus is its superrotation, where its atmosphere rotates much faster than its surface. This phenomenon is still not fully understood by scientists. Additionally, Venus has a number of large volcanoes, including the massive shield volcano, Olympus Mons, which is the largest volcano in the solar system. Some facts of Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, located approximately 41 million kilometers, 25 million miles, away. Venus rotates in the opposite direction of most other planets in the solar system, with a day lasting longer than its year. The thick atmosphere of Venus causes a greenhouse effect, trapping heat and leading to the high temperatures on the planet's surface. Venus has no moons or rings. Missions. Soviet Venera missions. In the 1960s and 1970s, the Soviet Union sent several missions to Venus, including the Venera 7, which became the first spacecraft to successfully land on another planet. NASA's Mariner missions. In the 1970s, NASA's Mariner missions flew by Venus and provided the first close-up images of the planet's surface. NASA's Magellan mission, launched in 1989, the Magellan mission used radar to map Venus's surface and study its geological features. ESA's Venus Express mission, launched in 2005, the Venus Express mission studied Venus's atmosphere and climate using a suite of instruments. Future missions. There are currently several missions in the planning stages to study Venus further, including NASA's Veritas and Russia's Venera D missions. There are several future missions planned to study Venus further and gain a better understanding of the planet. Here are a few of them. NASA's Veritas. Veritas is a proposed mission to map the surface of Venus using radar and study its geology, climate, and potential for habitability. Russia's Venera D. Venera D is a planned mission by the Russian space agency, Roscosmos, to study the atmosphere and surface of Venus. The mission includes plans for a lander and a long-duration orbiter to study the planet for several years. JAXA's Venus Climate Orbiter. Veritas. This mission by the Japanese space agency, JAXA, will study the climate and atmosphere of Venus to better understand the evolution of the planet and its potential habitability. NASA's Da Vinci. The Deep Atmosphere Venus Investigation of Noble Gases, Chemistry, and Imaging, Da Vinci mission will study Venus's atmosphere and its evolution to better understand the planet's history and the processes that shaped it. Conclusion. Venus is a unique and fascinating planet, with a toxic atmosphere and intense heat. Despite its inhospitable conditions, the various missions to Venus have helped us better understand the planet and its place in our solar system. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more space-related content. Hope you enjoyed learning. Don't forget to subscribe to get more learning video. Thank you for watching.